Today, 23rd of September, I am harvesting my main crop potatoes. These potatoes will be showed in my shed, wooden shed in the allotment, and they will be safe, and also they won't get rot because they're inside. You need to keep them in the dark area where bit of air also is there, otherwise they go damp and moldy sometimes. We had a blight, early blight in the allotment, so I cut down the plants to the ground level, and 2 rows of these 2 main crop potatoes, and I'm harvesting now. The blight came in the month of August first week, so I cut down all the stems to the ground level, and I didn't do anything afterwards. What I did was just covered a bit of a sheet on top of it, put some stones so they won't blow away for the wind, and I took the sheet off now and I'm harvesting. Now I harvested 1 row of my main crop potatoes, the variety called Cara, and there were 8 seed potatoes I planted, and this tub is a 40-liter tub, and look at how many. Around on average I got 25 to 30 potatoes for each plant. This variety is called Cara, and this is the main crop. And this side I need to dig, and look at my friends, they're helping me out as well. They're also trying to dig and help me to find my potatoes. I try not to poke into the potatoes with my fork. However, look at the damage I have done. Around 8 or 9 good potatoes I just poked into with my fork, and I'll clean them up. I use them straight away. And these are the damage or rejected. I'm going to put them into compost bin. This is the variety called Picasso, and I planted 8 seed potatoes, and almost every potato plant gave me around 30, maybe more, and the size is very good, and these can be used as jacket potatoes. And this is my shed, and this is always kept closed, so they get dried in a couple of days. Then I'm going to put them in this Hessian sacks, they called. They need a bit of air and dark, so they don't sprout in that way, and then you can use it for a couple of months. So that's the plan. After harvesting my potato, preparing the bed at the same time, I put 4 wheelbarrows of rotten horse manure, 3-year-old horse manure, and also I will mix up with some semi-rotten wood chips. Now I have prepared the bed for my garlic planting. I have added 5 wheelbarrows of horse manure and 3 wheelbarrows of my old compost, the compost I made out of my compost bin in the allotment. Mix them. I laid both of them together, I think maybe 3 inches below the surface, and on top of it I spreaded fresh, when I say fresh, 4-year-old rotten compost. And you see all these white things, they're called calcified seaweed and fish blood bone and bone meal. Now I need to little bit sprinkle the water so that all the powder doesn't blow away. And now the bed is completely ready for my garlic planting in a couple of days time.